Hi, on this video I'm gonna talk about things I like and don't like about my Orient Bambino Generation 2 version 3. Here we have a tag, we have the instruction booklet, the box. The box is slightly better than my Seiko. The Orient Bambino is my dress watch on my watch collection. Here's why I like it. For the price, you get an in-house made automatic watch. I like this version because of its minimalist design. The blue sunburst dial is really eye-catching. It looks great on my wrist, nice and slim. The only thing that I don't like is that the lug width is different to my other strap that I own. Overall, it's a great looking watch. It's inexpensive automatic watch with a timeless design. And that's why it's in my collection. See you guys on the next video. Bye.